Nandito na ulit.
Merry Christmas. Ito yung date ko eh.
Hi! Hello! Si Bulingi!
Oo nga, si Bulingi.
Congratulations, guys. I'm so proud of you.
Oo nga pala, congratulations.
Thank you, Kuya.
Hindi nga kami kumain ng po.
Ano oras na?
To have it with bone marrow butter, pandesal toasties.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
The kids are here.
I am now on my second seating for my last chef's night for the year. Hi! Naiiyak ako sa tuwa. Oh? My cast members are here. Hello, everyone! The reason they are my cast member, my babies. Sila ang the people behind every chef's night.
Puso.
Ang puso ng Angry Dobo, sila ang pumaprotekta. So we are on our last chef's night for the year, and hindi to possible if it weren't for them. And here are my guests for this year. There's Ra. There's Ra. Hi, Ra. And Dr. Aini is there. Dom and Sue is there. Catherine is there. And Lucho's there somewhere. And we have lots of organic guests. Meron pa kaming guests na galing ng Cagayan de Oro only for the chef's night. At yung group niya na galing pa ng London. Pili ko naman hindi dahil sa chef's night, but ito yung plinano nila, so I'm just so touched. Pero syempre, panoorin niyo po ang Espantaon sa December 25. Merry Christmas! Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano pang energy ko after nito. Pero, masaya-masaya ako. Angry!
Our chef consultant from day one of Angry Dobos, he has been helping me. On December 25, panoorin po ninyo ang Espantajo.
Uninvited?
And of course, The Kingdom. Yes, that's on December 25. Nakaligid po natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay! Merry Christmas!
Don't know how long it's been, I guess it doesn't matter. We've had our thick and